Hello students, today's our chapter is ordinary differential equation of first order and first degree with the topic variable separable method. Let's start with the step to solve equation by the variable separable method. It is very easy method. Uh, First, if we have given differential equation in the form of mxy dx plus nxy dy equal to 0, where m and n are functions of x and y. Now, in the next step, we have to rearrange our given differential equation in the form of mx dx plus ny dy equal to 0, which means the function of x with dx and function of y with dy. It means we have to separate both the variables x and y. Variable x with dx and variable y with dy. After separating both the variable, we have to integrate uh, and this is our solution. Okay, so let's start with the example. Solve dy by dx is equal to e raised to x minus y plus x square e raised to minus y with the variable separable method. So this is our equation, and we here dy by dx keep it same is equal to e raised to x minus y, we keep as we write as e raised to x into e raised to minus y plus x square e raised to minus y, keep it is same, right? Now here in both the term we have e raised to minus y. So first uh, e, we, uh, e raised to minus y we write left hand side in the form of e raised to y. Okay, so it is e raised to y dy by dx e raised to x plus x square. Okay, next step is e raised to y into dy and e raised to x plus x square into dx. We keep this dx in the denominator in the right hand side, the numerator. So here we separate both the variable y with dy and variable x with dx. Okay, so now for the solution we integrate both the side. After integration we get e raised to y, integration of e raised to y with respect to y, so e raised to y keep it same way. Integration of e raised to x with respect to dx, so e raised to x keep it same, and the integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus c. This is our solution. Now the next example is solve 3 e raised to x tan y dx plus 1 plus e raised to x x square y dy equal to 0. Okay, now for the solution, first we keep our second term in the right hand side. So 3 e raised to x tan y dx is equal to minus 1 plus e raised to x x square y dy. Okay, now rearrange this equation again and write variable of x into dx and variable of y into dy. For that we write 3 e raised to x upon this bracket 1 plus e raised to x into dx is equal to minus x square y dy, keep it same, and this tan y we keep in the denominator. Okay, so here we separate both the variables, variable x with dx and variable y with dy. So for the solution we have to integrate both the side. For the integration, students, uh, we use formula integration of f dash x upon fx dx is equal to log of f of x, because the here our f of x, here 1 plus e raised to x is our f of x, and the derivative of 1 plus e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay, so the integration of this term is 3 log of 1 plus e raised to x, because if we have in the denominator we have function, and in the numerator the derivative of that function, then the integration of that term is log of denominator. Here our denominator is 1 plus e raised to x, and the derivative of 1 is 0, but the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So the derivative of 1 plus e raised to x is e raised to x. So we write 3 log of denominator, so 3 log of 1 plus e raised to x. Similarly, our function in the denominator is tan y, and in the numerator the derivative of tan y is sec square y. So the integration of sec square y upon tan y is here minus sign, so minus log denominator, so that is tan y. So write 3 log 1 plus e raised to x, here minus log tan y plus constant. Here in the both term we have log, so we take our constant in the form of log, that is log c. Now apply the logarithm rule, so keep the multiple of 3 in the power, so log 1 plus e raised to x raised to 3 is equal to log c minus log tan y, so we write as a log c upon tan y. Okay, now if we cut log from the both the sides, so 1 plus e raised to x whole raised to 3 is equal to c upon tan y. So 1 plus e raised to x whole raised to 3 into tan y is equal to c. This is our solution. Students, let's start with one more example, that is dy by dx is equal to sine x plus y, and we want to solve this differential equation with the variable separable method. But how can we separate x and y? If we apply sin a plus b rule, that is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, it is much difficult, or we can say it is not possible to separate the both the variable. So let assume x plus y is equal to u. Now the derivative of x with respect to x is 1, the derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to du by dx. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus 1. Here and substitute this value in the given differential equation. So dy by dx is du by dx minus 1. So at the place of dy by dx we write du by dx minus 1 is equal to sin x plus y, but x plus y is u, so sin u. So the next step is du by dx is equal to 1 plus sin u. Now du upon 1 plus sin u is equal to dx. Students, here in the given differential equation we have two variables x and y, and we convert our variable y into the form of u. So in this equation we have two variables u and x, and both are separate. With the du we have 1 upon 1 plus sin u, and with the dx we have nothing multiple, so we can say multiple is 1. Okay, now both variable are separate, so integrate both the side. So integration of du upon 1 plus sin u is equal to integration of dx plus c. Now integration of, for the integration of 1 upon 1 plus sin u, we keep 1 minus sin u upon 1 minus sin u into du is equal to x plus c. Now integration of 1 minus sin u upon 1 minus sin square u du is equal to x plus c. Here this x is the integration of 1 with respect to dx, so this is the x. Now 1 minus sin square u is cos square u. Separate both the terms, so integration of 1 upon cos square u, that is 1 upon cos square u is sec square u, and sin u upon cos square u, So sin u upon cos u is tan u, and 1 upon cos u is sec u is equal to x plus c. So integration of sec square u is tan u. Integration of sec u tan u is again sec u is equal to x plus c. But we assume this u in the given equation we have two variable x and y. So put the assumed value u is nothing but x plus y. So tan x plus y minus sec x plus y is equal to x plus c. This is our solution. So students, in this example we our original equation is not easily uh, made for the variable separable method. So we can say that this is the reducible variable separable method. We reduce our given differential equation in the form of variable separable method. Let's start with one more example. Solve cos x plus y minus 1 plus 2 cos x plus 2y is equal to cosec x dy by dx. For the solution, here it is very difficult to separate both the variable x and y, the variable x with dx and variable y with dy. So let's start with the assumptions. Cos x plus y is equal to u. So the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, y is dy by dx is equal to du by dx. So dy by dx is du by dx plus sin x. Substitute this value in the given differential equations. Here cos x plus y is u, so u minus 1. If we get 2 common, 2 into cos x plus y, that is 2u is equal to cosec x, and dy by dx is du by dx plus sin x. After rearranging, here u minus 1 plus 2u is 3u minus 1 is equal to cosec x into du by dx. Cosec x into sin x is 1. After simplifying, we get sin x dx is equal to du upon 3u minus 2, because if we keep this plus 1 in the left hand side, that is 3u minus 2, and du upon 3u minus 2 and dx, and if we keep this cosec x in the left hand side, that is sin x. Okay, here both the variable are separate, with dx variable x and with du variable u. Now integrate both the side. The integration of sin x is minus cos x, and the integration of 1 upon 3u minus 2, the derivative of denominator, which is 3. So after integrating, we can write minus cos x 1 upon 3 log 3u minus 2, because for the integration this term we if we multiply by 3 and divide by 3, we can write as 1 by 3 into 3 du upon 3u minus 2. So the derivative of the denominator which is in the numerator, so we can write that 1 by 3 log 3u minus 2 plus c. So here if we keep this minus cos x in the right hand side, so this minus cos x convert into the plus cos x. 1 by 3 log 3 u is cos x plus y minus 2, and we keep this constant into the left hand side, that is minus c. So this is our final solution. Students, this method is very easy, variable separable method. Please like and subscribe this video. If you have any query, feel free to contact me. Thank you.